Missing me today? Detox day. Everybody's cleaning something. Windows, floors, rooms. Clean it up. But today I asked myself, when was the last time I cleaned the house inside me? Inside me. Today I'm coming home. To myself. Was missing me. I opened up the windows of my soul. Open the windows. Let the morning light come pouring through. Let it shine. Found some memories underneath the floor. Things I thought I'd already moved through. Boxes full of yesterday. Old regrets I never threw away. Let them go. Photographs of who I used to be, still asking me to set them free. Set me free. I'm taking down the curtains of my fear. No more. Washing every window with a tear. Wash it away. I don't have to run from what I find. I can leave the past and still be kind. I'm cleaning my inner house. Clean it up. Opening every door. Every door. Letting the light come in. Where I was hurting before. Let the light in. I'm sweeping out the sorrow. Sweep it out. Washing away the doubt. Wash it away. Making room for love again. I'm cleaning my inner house. My inner house. I'm coming home. Coming home to me. Back to me. I'm releasing what I carried so my spirit can breathe. Just breathe. There's a room where I kept my loneliness. A room where I rehearsed my pain. A room where I blamed myself for every little drop of rain. No more blame, but I don't need to live there anymore. I can close that chapter, close that door. What happened made me who I am, but it doesn't have to be who I remain. No. I forgive the man I was back then. I forgive you. I forgive the places where I've been. I forgive the words I couldn't say. And I forgive myself for yesterday. Yesterday is gone. In the house, clean it up. Opening every door. Open it wide. Letting the light come in. Where I was hurting before. Let it shine. I'm sweeping out the sorrow. Sweep it out. Washing away the doubt. Wash it away. Making room for love again. I'm cleaning my inner house. Oh, yeah. No more carrying what isn't mine. Not mine. No more living on borrowed time. My time now. One breath, one step, one day at a time. I'm putting peace back on my mind. If I lose my way, I'll find my road. If my heart gets tired, I lighten the load. I don't need perfection to feel alive. I just need a little room inside. If you see me smiling, don't think I never cry. There's an ocean underneath this smile. Now almost drowned inside. But every tear became a window. Every scar became a door. Every time I thought I couldn't rise, I discovered something more. Today I choose peace over proving. I choose peace. Rest over running. I choose rest. Truth over pretending. Healing over hiding. Grateful for every breath I have. Every morning I survived. Every second chance. Thank you. I don't need to clean the whole world to finally feel alright. Sometimes the greatest revolution is turning on your own light. Turn it up. Take the weight off my shoulders. Take it off. Take the chains off my mind. Set me free. Take the fear from my future. Leave the wisdom behind. I won't erase my story. I won't be ashamed of the scars. No, I won't. Because every broken window still lets in the stars. I see the stars. Peace. Forgiveness. Release. Gratitude. Thank you. Rest. I need my rest. Renewal. Make me new. And one more thing. Me. For once, I choose me. I'm cleaning my inner house. Clean it up, opening every door. Open it wide, letting the light come in like never before. Let it shine. I'm sweeping out the sorrow, sweep it out, washing away the doubt, wash it away, making room for love again. I'm cleaning my inner house. Yes. Room by room, day by day, day by day. Every burden I carry, I'm learning how to lay away, lay it down. I don't need to escape my life. I just need to come home to who I am. Come home, Saturday. Some people clean their houses. Today, I clean mine. I'd open the windows, I let the light in, let it shine. I forgave the past, I made room for tomorrow, and somewhere between the silence, the tears, the breathing, and the letting roll, I realized I wasn't alone.